Now the next thing is to learn how to speed up clip in Final Cut Pro. So to speed up a clip, all you need to do is to select that particular clip that you want to speed up, and then you can come up here and see this small speed ramp, this small arrow, and you just click on this small arrow and you can see it. You can slow it down by 50%, or you can slow it down by 25%, or you can slow it down by 10%. However you want it, you can do it with Final Cut, and you can speed it up by 2 times the speed. Okay, at any video clip is at 100%. If you do 2x speed, it's going to go to 200%. If you go 4x, it's going to go 400 and 800 same way. Okay, or 2000 same way. Okay, so you can always come back to normal by just using Shift N, or you can just click and it's going to go back to the normal speed. And then you can hold or freeze the clip, and then you can do blade speed, or you can do custom speed, and you can reverse clip accordingly, or you can move from or reset a given speed, or you can check out a bunch of other speed effects. For example, automatic speed ramp from 100 to 200, or from 0 to 200 at the starting of a given clip. You can do all that from here, and you can do instant replay or rewind. You can do all that from here. So just feel free to go ahead and apply anything. So you can say, for example, this video, I want to slow it by 50%. Once you click on slowing it by 50%, you will notice that the length of the entire clip has increased. It's going to increase, and you can see right now you can move across, and this video is now in slow motion.
Students, but the question is,
now you can see it's definitely in slow motion. So assuming I want to create a blade and I want to make a cut at this point, and let's say I have my speed ramp over here and I want to increase it from 50 to maybe 60%, I can do that as well. So all you need to do is to go back to the selection tool by pressing on letter A, and then you can come to the extreme end. At this clip, the speed ramp is the slowing is applied, or the speeding effect is applied, which is slowed by 50%. If you want to increase or decrease, you can come to the extreme end over here and you can decrease it over here. And you can see you are slowing it down by 60%, or you can increase it and you make it faster by slowing it down by maybe 33% or 30%. So all these have effect, and you can do that manually on your own. Okay, so you can easily select that and come over here and do the editing accordingly. So basically, this is how to add speed ramping and speed up your clip in any way, however you want it. Make it faster or make it slower, or make it in any way as you want. Speed ramp from a given speed to a given speed. You can do all that from here, or rewind it accordingly. So feel free to give it a try and let me know what you think on the chat box. If you have any issues, I can help you to address all that. I think that does it for increasing the speed of a clip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.